today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project module. And we'll do some light reading. So let's start off with that. So this is how we would do that. Let me move up so I can see exactly where we picked up from. So the first thing we do is import the Titanoboa tool into our deploy favorites py file. This is how we will do that. It will say import boa, as you can see here. Notice the import name is lowercase b OA with a lowercase b, not the boa with the capital B. It is important to use the correct case when importing packages in Python. Once we have imported the boa package, we can start using it to deploy our contract. What we have to do to deploy our contract is say favorites contract equals boa.load favorites.vi. We will be adding this line of code to our deploy favorites py file. We can do it right under the print statement using our define main, inside our define main function. This will load our favorites.by contract into the favorites contract variable. Once we have loaded our contract into the favorites contract variable, we can deploy it to the PyEVM network by saying favorites contract.deploy function. If we were to read over the documentation for the boa package, we would see that this is how we deploy contracts to the PyEVM network. The documentation says that using a load function will load the contract into the variable we specify using this logic. Compile source from disk and return deploy instance of the contract. Now that's how it's supposed to work in theory. Yesterday you saw we did run into some hiccups, so we're still working out those bugs so we can move forward. Like I said, we're just going to keep moving forward and make sure that we correct things as we move along so we can have everything compiling correctly again. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.